Okay friends, I am going to show you a very quick way to make rice. And well, the only reason why I'm doing this is because I am going to make a Chinese fried rice and I'm going to use this rice. But I'm going to show you how I do it quick, fast, and in a hurry. And it turns out wonderful. I got my burner on medium high, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to do just maybe a half a teaspoon of olive oil, and that's it. I'm going to let that get melted. This works if you got your dinner going and say you forgot, oh my gosh, I don't got a side dish, you know, what am I going to do? This will work beautifully. Works beautifully. We're going to do just a cup of rice because with this, and I'll do another video, maybe my next video I'll show you how I do my Chinese fried rice. My husband loves it. But we're going to get this melted up first. I'm going to show you how great this works. Let me get this melted. I'll be right back. I am back and I have got my butter and my oil is melted. Now, in that little bit of time I changed my mind from 1 cup of rice to 2 cups. So I'm going to put my rice in there, uncooked. And I'm just going to start sauteing it a little bit. Like, oh boy, it's got a nutty, beautiful flavor. And this is brown rice, friends. And also you're going to want to have, I got on my other side of my stove, a kettle of hot water. You want boiling hot water to put in this. So you're just going to brown this rice real good. Though it is brown rice, but you know what I mean. Just like you do with a box of rice-a-roni. You put it in there and saute it up a little bit, fry it up a little bit, and then put your water in there. Okay. I've got that good and hot. Okay, this is where you have got to be careful because this is screaming hot. Very, very hot. So we are going to want 4 cups of water. Screaming hot water. There's 2. See it boiling? Be real careful because it's screaming hot. And there's 4. Alright, turn the heat off. You don't even need to mix it. Put the lid on it. Put it on the back of your stove and time it for 15 minutes. Don't touch it, and in 15 minutes we'll be right back. Okay friends, I am back and there is our beautiful rice. Look at there. Beautiful, beautiful, done beautifully. Not even sticking to the bottom. See that? Beautiful. See? No sticking to the bottom. Gorgeous. And you can take this rice and you could even put some chicken bouillon or beef bouillon or anything. Add anything you want to it. Add some peas and carrots, whatever. This particular rice I'm going to turn into pork fried rice, and that'll be the next video. So there you have it. That's a quick and easy way to make rice if you need a side dish. So there you have it. We'll be back, and my next video I'll show you my pork fried rice. Thanks for watching.